It was a complete change for the traditional vehicles that we manufactured here. Saloons and hatchback cars. It was completely different shape, completely different style, and a completely different name that no one really understood what it meant at that time.
I thought the name was fantastic. I just thought it had a ring to it that attracted you to the car.
Nobody else was doing it. It was a groundbreaker. It was a car that basically made the market.
It was a gamble, but the feeling on the shop floor and that was confidence in it, and I think everybody knew it was going to sell really well.
Customers just wanted it. It was a new segment. They couldn't get that kind of car that they wanted. They couldn't get this hybrid between an SUV and a C-segment hatchback. We were the only ones making it.
First QASHQAI hitting the 1 million mark was great. We were in a stage where the more we can build, we can sell.
The volume just continued to increase, so we were challenging the plant in terms of what volume we could produce. You are getting the repeat customers. That goes down to the quality and hard work that goes into each and every QASHQAI.
The challenge with QASHQAI was because Nissan was first. When you bring the second generation and the third generation out, can you keep the successful formula going? Can you make it better? And I think every time we've proved we can. As soon as we build the car, we'll look to improve it the next time, and we'll look to improve how we manufacture it.
Oh, it's great, isn't it? It's a great new car. It's obviously a QASHQAI, but it's moved forward. It's a modern day QASHQAI. Nowadays, customers expect more technology, more connectivity, and certainly on this new QASHQAI, they're getting it.
It's a future for not just us, as in the people that work here now, but it's a future for our children and children beyond that.
A lot of people have worked on all three generations, and clearly there's a pride about NMUK being the home of QASHQAI, and we hope that there's many more generations to come in the future.
The QASHQAI is the lifeblood of Sunderland, and it's treated that way. The car is made with pride from all levels.
From a region point of view, it's as recognisable as when you see Pension Monument when you approach the city.
I've worked for Nissan for 20 years, and obviously I've been involved from first generation through to where we are today. For me, I'm very proud. I love seeing QASHQAI, I love seeing Nissans on the road.
We couldn't do the kind of things that we do in Sunderland without the team that we've got here. And I'm sure that there's a real pride there.
It really looks great. Everybody thinks it looks great. It gives you confidence, and it does get you excited. I really do think we've got a winner on our hands here.